Hey Glam Fam, so today we're going to be doing this super vampy smoky eye with like a dark red wine lip. I really liked how this turned out, and not to mention, this is a Dollar Tree makeup tutorial, so everything that I used on my face was from the Dollar Tree except for my beauty blender. You guys know I can't live without this, but you don't have to use this if you don't want to. The eyelashes I didn't get from the Dollar Tree, I got from Amazon, but they were still $1.50. I think there was one more thing, but I can't remember what it was. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Beauty by Josie K. If you hit the little button next to the red subscribe button, you will not only get notifications on when I upload my videos, but you will also become a part of the Glam Fam, and that's awesome. We are growing and it's so amazing. I also have a Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They are also at BeautybyJosieK. So I hope you guys will go follow me on there. I talk to you mostly over on those platforms anyway. And let's get into this tutorial. Hey Glam Fam, so today we're going to be doing another Dollar Tree makeup tutorial. I know you guys really love these. I'm going to be doing, I don't know, I'm thinking like a smoky, like super smoked out liner. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. So first I'm just going to prime with the BB cream, and this is by Sassy and Chic. If you guys are wondering, I will link the products down below, or at least the products I can link, if you would like to check them out. We're going to go with the eyes first this time. So I'm going to be using some tape that you can get at the dollar store. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Cover Everything Concealer. I know a lot of you guys said that I didn't get this at the Dollar Tree last video, but I really did. I did get everything here at the Dollar Tree, and if I didn't get it at the Dollar Tree, I'll tell you. I'm going to set this with the color Beige in LA Colors. Just looks like this. And I'm just gonna set that with a beauty blender because you guys already know I love the beauty blender. I don't think anything can replace it in my opinion. I think it's amazing, and any other sponge that I've tried, even the Real Techniques one, I can't remember what it's called, is still not the same. So I'm gonna be using the beauty blender, but you could do this without a beauty blender. You could do this with a regular little sponge that you get at the dollar store. I'm only gonna be using these Wet n Wild brushes that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna be going in with this big fluffy one first. I'm gonna be going in with this mauve pink color right here. I'm probably gonna mix these two together, and we're gonna put that into our crease. Now I'm just gonna go in with this pretty white color right here and put that right underneath my brow. Then I'm gonna go in with this black eyeliner, and this is from Color Mates. And we are just going to trace along the eye a little bit and then smudge it out with this short little shader brush and this angled eyeliner brush. Now what we're gonna do is we are going to take this black eyeshadow right here. This is from LA Colors Matte, and we are going to take that and place that where we would usually line, but also smudge it out after we get it on there. We're gonna just start to pack on that black eyeshadow and keep blending. And we're actually gonna run some of that underneath our eye. Alright, and then for what makes this look super smoked out is we are going to go in with a brown, and I'm gonna be going in with the Color Mates brown. This is the eyebrow powder, and this is dark brown. I'm gonna be going in with the dark brown and smudging right above the black line. I'm just gonna go back in and smoke out with the color we did before. And we're gonna do our eyeliner. Now our eyeliner is the LA Colors Liquid Liner in black, and we are just going to trace out our wing. We're going to pull this off. Smoke out the bottom part of our eye. Move on to our eyebrows. I'm using the Color Mates same one, and I'm just gonna use the dark brown. These brows are a little on the warm side, so I'm just gonna go in with a tiny bit of black. See, just even that made it so much better. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with the LA Colors mascara and put some of that on. The eyelashes that I'm wearing today, I didn't get the dollar store, but I got them on Amazon and they were only $1.50. If I can find them, I will link them in the down bar below. By the way, guys, you could totally leave this look like it is right now, or you can keep going like I'm going to. So let me put these on really fast. They're not the best eyelashes, but they'll do. All right, lashes on. Run the eyeliner on the bottom of my eyes. This one, the Color Mates one. Yeah, it's just me and you. I'm gonna go in and do my foundation. I'm gonna be using the Color Mates Light Medium, and I'm just gonna use the sponge that's in it already, and then I'm gonna set it again with the LA Colors Beige Powder. Then I'm gonna go in and bronze with LA Colors Glowing Bronzer. Summer days burn me out, love just brings me down. Go inside like winter leaves that slowly leave the ground. Hey, you come back, I wanna give you a chance. Love me like you used to, so we can learn again. The skin is getting brown, baby, drink your night away, maybe. I'm gonna put some blush on. This is by Color Mates as well, and this is in Mauve. And so what I'm gonna do is, this is a little bit too bright for me, so I'm gonna mix it with the bronzer, and hopefully that will kind of tone it down. What I'm gonna do is, they didn't have any lip liner at the Dollar Tree, but I did get this mink brown brow and eyeliner. I've used eyeliner and brow liner for lip liner before, so I'm just gonna color my lips in, and then we're gonna put a red lipstick over it, and hopefully it'll make it look like super burgundy, dark red brown. I'm gonna go in with Dark Wine, and this is from Wet n Wild as well. Very fall-like. Then for a highlight, I'm just gonna go in with the LA Colors I Love Makeup Eye Palette, the Pocket Eye Palette. And I'm gonna go in with this champagne color right here, and I'm just gonna use that as a highlight. That is it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you did by giving it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, BeautybyJosieK, down below. It's free, and I post new videos every single week. And if you hit the little notification button next to the red subscribe button, you will never miss another one of my videos like so. And you will also become a part of the GLAM fam. So hit that subscribe button. I have a Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat. I talk to y'all mostly over on those platforms. If you'd like to go follow me over there as well, it is BeautybyJosieK, just like it's spelled here. And I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!